How to check page admin on Facebook or whether it's possible to do that or not. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Facebook on a device. Then tap on the search icon at the top right corner. Now type the page name and tap on search at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the page. Now simply scroll down. Then tap on see about info. Again scroll down. Now next to page transparency, simply tap on see all. Now when you scroll down, now under people who manage this page, you can find there is no name mentioned here. So unfortunately, you cannot see the admin of the Facebook page, but instead you can simply go back. Now under contact info, simply tap on the email, then tap on open. Now this way you can contact that email or person. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.